Hey guys, this is my channel. Y'all kinda seen me before on my ZDT's video. Now, this is a satisfying video. YouTubers out there that I like Jelly, the one that has a big book. I like y'all guys. Even FGTV, I like y'all too. But I'm proving that I like y'all. I dreamed about being a YouTuber too. So this is my chance to go. So let's get started with the video. Block it. Okay, you ready guys? Okay, good. Let's go. And I'm gonna rumble it up. Guys, was that satisfying? Tell me down below and make sure to subscribe and hit the notification button and try to keep a like on this. I want 1,000 likes on this video. I'm just 7. That's all.
Okay, good night.
But bye.